English on the go, for people who are always busy.
Scenario 8. Emergencies.
There's a major issue with the system.
What's happened?
It hasn't responded to the control panel commands.
Let's fix it immediately. We can't afford delays.
Should I shut off the main water supply?
Yes, do that. Also, check if there's any visible damage to the wires.
I see a loose connection here. I'll secure it and see if that helps.
Good. Keep me updated. If it doesn't work, we may need to replace the control panel.
All right, I'm on it.